common mistakes people do, they don't define an H1 on the page, or sometimes they have multiple H1 on the page. I've seen websites where everything would be an H1, so Google would come in and wouldn't know what's the topic on the page.
The document outline for your on-page SEO needs to have structure, just like a letter would. So you need to have the right headings and the right content so that Google understands what your page is actually about.
It's basically just showcasing all the different headers that are located on the page, so you can kind of see the hierarchical structure and get a better idea of like the different topics that are on the website. And so Google can use that to kind of figure out what are the main topics that the content is covering on that page.
Document outline is something that you see in the back end. It's not something a user might see on the front end. So what I mean by that is, if you look at our homepage, Mojo Dojo, this line here, you don't know if it's an H1 or an H2 or an H3 or an H4. Whereas for a search engine only sees the code of the page, and they're able to detect what's the title on the page and what are the headings that are getting used on the page. It's important to have only one H1 on the page, which is your topmost heading. It should be in the biggest font possible. That gives a signal to Google that that's the topic on the page.
3 best gifts to receive, go.
$1 million, a Lamborghini, and I can't say that last one.
I know you're gonna say the last one.
I did, you just have to word it correctly.
Yeah.
I don't feel comfortable. I don't know if I can. Books, and I'd probably say books.
Rolex would be the best.
Just get me a gift card, honestly. Let me buy whatever I want. Just give me a gift card.
On-page SEO is getting your ducks in order, making sure your document outline has structure, like the Wikipedia pages. A lot of the stuff we run into is that developers will make a website cosmetically pleasing. However, they'll neglect the fact that there needs to be that structure for the document outline, and they'll include 3 or 4 heading ones. This is just horrible because when Google guesses, it doesn't guess very well.
It's kind of important because you want to be able to send a clear message as to the topic of the page.
And then you have H2s on the page, which would include the keywords that you're trying to target, your related keywords and other keywords that you think are related to the topic on the page. Some websites, because there is no H1, Google would come on the page and H2s would be all over the place, so it wouldn't be able to understand the topic on the page. What would happen is, if the bot comes in and it's not able to understand the topic on the page, you might end up ranking for irrelevant keywords, and which would mean that you'll be getting a very irrelevant spam inquiries which are not related to you.
3 best gifts. If I was the receiver, I would love to receive a book. A book?
You were copying me. Copycat.
And a dog. Like a dog would be nice.
Oh,
Wow.
expensive gifts.
Expensive gift. And the limit's $20. I feel like adopting a dog is free, so go adopt a dog. It is not free.
3 worst gifts to get, go.
A dog. Like a dog would be nice. Dog would be nice. Because you literally just said a dog is a great gift to receive. Yeah, but it depends on the receiver. A gift card. Just get me a gift card, honestly. Let me buy whatever I want. Just give me a gift card.
These are the lists that you want.
And a book. I want a book. What if I don't like reading?